Hello everyone! Today we're going to make this cool space rocket. With it you can work on visual perception and attention, as well as series and patterns. Besides, it's a really fun recycling project. Today we make a space rocket with El Gato rainbow and La Gata moon. You will need paper towel roll, color paper or construction paper, a ruler, aluminum foil, tape, scissors, a glue gun, and cardboard. We'll start by making a mark where the fire of a rocket should begin on a paper towel roll. Psst, if you subscribe you help us a lot, thank you! And now with the glue gun we'll glue yellow, orange and red papers. I found some extras from other crafts and I'm using them, but with normal red, orange or yellow paper it will look great as well. Once everything is glued, we'll get the aluminum foil and we're going to cut a piece like this. And now we're going to fold it so that it looks thinner. Like this. And we're going to glue it on top of the fire. Now in a piece of paper we're going to draw the template of a fin of a rocket. And we're going to cut it. And trace it on the cardboard. We will do this 4 times. Now we cut it. And with a little bit more of aluminum foil, we'll cover them. For this, we don't need glue. We're going to glue the fins to the base of our rocket. We'll make a line of glue and we will carefully glue one of the fins. Hold it there for a few seconds. And now do this with the rest of the fins. For the top part, we'll make a circle on paper. It. Make the same on aluminum foil. And glue both of them together. Like this. We'll fold it twice to know where the center of the circle is. And with the scissors we'll cut one of those lines just until we reach the center. We fold it a couple more times, and as you can see, if we move this part, we get the shape that we wanted. In this case, I'm gluing 2 of the little triangles. And like this, we already have the top part of our rocket. Now with our color paper or cardboard, we'll mark how wide we want our stripes. In my case, I made them 1 inch wide. And I made 3 of each color. And to be able to put it in a rocket, we add a piece of tape and fold it so that the tape stays inside. Remember to measure your paper towel roll to make sure they fit. And now we can put them in our rocket and make all the combinations we can think of. On our website, we left this downloadable card so you can make the patterns that you want. This way your little ones can copy it. Just download it, color it however you like. Cut it. And now let's play! Besides, you can print it as many times as you want and create lots of combinations. And the best part is that if you're not playing with it, you can leave it in the room as decoration and it looks great. If you want more educational resources to download, remember we have lots of free worksheets on our website. And you can't miss this one we made with a space theme. We hope you like it. Until next week!